morning, everyone, and welcome to my day 3 of classroom setup. So this morning, I had intentions again to come at 7:30. Didn't happen. I left my house actually 5 minutes later than yesterday. I left it at 7:50, and right now is 8:20. And I got in my classroom, and I'm about to log into a online virtual PD that I'm not sure if I will stay because I don't know if I need it. So we'll play it by ear and see how it is. I can always just have it playing in the background while I keep working in my classroom. But I have my tea with me that my mom made me from home in my Starbucks cup, and I'm ready to roll. I'm also wearing my cute little Stitch Boba t-shirt. I love the shirt. It's so cute. He's holding a bubble tea. Let me show you in the mirror so that maybe you can see it a little better. So here it is, cute little Stitch. So yeah, I got this shirt from teeturtle.com. T as in T-E-E, turtle. So anywho, I have tons of stuff in the car that I had kept at home. I haven't gone to storage yet. I'm probably gonna go to storage either later today or tomorrow, not sure. But I do have things in storage like my stage and a couple of other things that I wanna bring over. Some things I do have to keep in there, but the things that I will use this year, I'm gonna bring it in. So I do have to unload the car at some point today. We'll see how that goes. I keep saying we'll see. All right, let me log into this PD and I'll catch up with you and let you know how everything goes. Hello again. So it's been quite a while since I last spoke with you. It is now 3:35. I was in the math PD the entire day. So once it started, I kind of got the gist of what it was going to be about, and I knew it was going to be an important training for me to go to. So at least it was in my classroom through Zoom. So in between breaks here and there, I was able to accomplish some organization or moving of things from one place to another in the classroom as a way of getting ready. I also needed to meet with my grade level from 11:45. We met till like 12:40 or 12:40 because then my PD started back up again. I'm exhausted, and I'm gonna say that just by moving things around here and there and walking around, plus the fact that I'm limping, my hips hurt so much as I walk around, like both my hips. So let me show you what I've done, and then I'm gonna let you know what I'm gonna do before leaving. I'm not gonna stay until 8:30 like I did last night. I do have things to do. I have to pick up something from IKEA, and I'm just going to soak in some Epsom salt this evening in my bathtub because maybe that'll help my muscles. Yeah, and I don't know if you can tell from my face, I feel exhausted, like so tired. Like I need to take a nap tired. But anyhow, let me show you what I've done so far. First and foremost, I removed all the things on top of these desks and just moved it to my once empty cabinet space, for now. A lot of these things, I'm going to remove them from the classroom. I'm going to donate. I'm going to strategically put away. But for now, they're there. And the reason why I did that was so that I can start organizing the desk in rows, 3 tiles apart or so. I moved my kitchen table here for now. It'll go over here. My couch is the next thing that I need to move over. I'll just move these 2 desks over here. That way I have space to move the couch over here so that I can then set up some desks that go all the way to the front there. And oh my goodness, I am so exhausted. I moved these cards over here and these boxes that I have to go through. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the cards. In the past, I have used them for each student group to put their notebooks away so they can have some notebook storage and their chair pockets away at the end of the day. But because we want to limit sharing, that's not going to be possible. And I don't know where I will put them in my classroom, so I'm debating what to do with them. I mean, I stored things inside of them at the end of the year so that I had a place to put things away once I packed up my classroom. But I'm gonna empty them, and I'm thinking that once I empty them, I should just take them to storage because I don't think I'm gonna use them, honestly, if I'm being honest. So yeah, and the other thing, my teacher area is still a mess. It's not my priority right now. My priority is kind of having an idea how the desk organization is gonna go. I may have to take my floor table to storage because one, I don't know if I'm going to use it. Two, I don't know where I would put it. And my flexible seating, since the floor seats are made of soft surface, I'm just going to put them in storage along with the wobble cushions. So they're going to go to storage. So I'm not sure what to do with this box. This box has a bunch of scraps, and I keep debating whether or not I want to keep it so that I can use it for like scrapbooking or for notebook decoration or things like that, or if I should just donate it to a teacher. I don't know what to do. I am just so confused over all these different things I have in my room. I still haven't gotten those bookshelves down. I do need to get them down, but I don't know where I will put them. That's the other thing. I'm debating. I'm still kind of thinking that I should put them here like I had them. So I had them on either side of this board. And then I had these Sterilite containers right in the middle. All three of them fit perfectly in there. I think I might just do that again. I don't know. I keep going back and forth. And this organization for binders goes in that corner. And I want to like organize this area back here. But this is how my classroom is looking. And I'm going to IKEA because this cubby system, I used it for my students to put their book bags away. But it only fits 16 book bags if you do single book bags. And the way that I did it before is I had students double up on their book bags and put them on top of other book bags. And again, we want to limit, contact. So I don't think I'm going to use it for book bags this year. At least this year. Don't know what I'll do in the future, at least for now. I'm just going to allow the students to keep their book bags on the back seats of their chairs, because I used to use chair pockets, but again, it's a cloth, it's a soft surface. I don't think I'm going to be able to use chair pockets or seat covers this year. I'm not going to bring them from storage. So what I'm going to do, which is the reason why I'm going to IKEA, is I'm going to get storage bins that will go in here. So it'll cover all the holes and it'll give me additional storage space. Again, this is stuff that needs to move out. I'm waiting for the AP. I have a lot of professional books here, and I'm going to be honest, I never use them. I like them. I feel like I don't want to get rid of them, but in reality, I haven't picked a book from here in over two years, maybe 3, maybe more. I don't know. Some of them maybe yes. I don't know. I'm so confused. So I don't know if I should just give them away. I don't know, put them in storage and then use this bookshelf. This one did come with the classroom. So use this bookshelf as additional storage for other things that I need to put away. These privacy shields I've had for years, since I had my superhero theme, and they're all used up and scribbled on and so forth, and some of them are even falling apart. So I'm thinking of giving them away or putting them outside so they can be thrown away, because honestly, I'm being honest with myself. I have so many things. I don't think I'm going to use them. So let me give myself time to see how many of these desks I can organize. Put the kidney table over there, put the couch over there, and get those things from my car, because my car is full of stuff and I need to get it. I'll use my cart over there. I'm going to unload it so that I can load stuff on it. So let me work on that. I have been rearranging desks for the past hour. I'm not 100% happy, but it is so hard to set up a classroom with your desk in straight rows, but that is the times that we're living in right now. So this is what I've come up with for now. I may change my mind. Who knows? I don't know. So here they are, and I do have extra desk in between those 2 desks over there and those first 2 rows. Those are extra desks. No one will sit there. I don't know what to do with them. There are 24 desks here. I have 20 students. I don't think I'm gonna keep all 24 desks. I may just keep 2 extra and just keep them in between desks like that for now. I'm just gonna double check, I'm not sure. I'm definitely gonna have to take my floor table to storage. There's just no space for it. I ended up putting the couch back there. It is off center. It does bug me, but this student needs to be able to push their chair out. So we're faced with that. And this is where I put my kidney table right now. Don't know if we can use it, but that's how I have set it up. It does give me space here to walk through and open the cabinets. I have extra chairs. I need 5 for the computer area. I don't know how the computer area is gonna work. With COVID guidelines, I don't think we can sit kids right next to each other. I mean, we can't. So, don't know how that's gonna work, but that's where the computers are. So I have extra chairs plus 1 odd chair that I might just put outside because I don't need extra chairs. I don't have space to keep extra stuff. I really don't. Very limited. So I'm gonna go downstairs and start unloading my car. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to go down to unload it, but it's gonna be a couple times for sure. I'm gonna take my time because my hips still hurt. And let me see if I can get out of here, hopefully in an hour. I forgot to say what my top 3 things to do today were. So number 1 was clearing off the stuff from the desk and the kidney table, hence all the stuff on top of my counters. Number 2 was rearranging or arranging the desks the best I can. And number 3 was unloading my car. So let's go do number 3. And yeah, I am exhausted. On top of the cart, I did put those privacy shields, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them down in the hallway where there's a pile of things for teachers to take if they want. I am currently unloading my car, as you can see from the cart that I started loading. And I have a couple things here and this big bag. And we made it to the classroom. I managed to get all this up in just one trip. I did leave the large cardboard box that I had in my car. It has a lot of posters for good hygiene and things like that that I got from the Ed Fund last year. Yeah, I think it was last year. So I'll probably just take that up tomorrow because I'm tired and I need to go home. But before I go home, I need to go to IKEA and pick up the organizers for the cubbies. I'm very excited to have a little bit of extra storage. So yeah, that'll be it for today. I know, very short vlog, sorry, again. But tomorrow we are having an opening of school meeting. They're gonna have continental breakfast starting at 7:45. The meeting starts promptly at 8:30. They're even going to give us lunch, which is nice. And we are having meetings all day tomorrow till 3, I think. So I won't be able to continue working in my classroom tomorrow until after the meeting is done, so probably after 3. Tomorrow I do plan to stay a little bit later than today. Right now it's like 5:20 pretty much. So I'm gonna collect my things and go, cause yeah. All right, so I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on my classroom setup day 3. Not much happened other than the 3 things you saw, but hopefully we'll get more going. The school's gonna be open on Saturday from 8:30 to noon. So I'll definitely be here from 8 to noon. I'll definitely be here to do final things. I haven't made copies yet. I know, shame on me, oh my God. But I've been in meeting, like every day has been a meeting. So I get distracted with that. And I could go make copies now, but do I want to? No, my body hurts, I'm tired. So if you enjoyed coming along, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile.
Hello dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.